Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Both can be regarded as the same thing and have been proven to have a positive impact on a person's health. The difference between both products is what they are made from. Cider vinegar is usually made from apple, whereas cider vinegar can also be made from other fruits, for example raspberries.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
If you're in a bind, you can substitute cider with apple juice in a recipe. Just make sure it's unsweetened apple juice, so your recipe isn't too far off from its original flavor profile. If you don't have unsweetened apple juice on hand, you can reduce the sugar in your recipe.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Typically you can substitute it in equal amounts as apple cider vinegar. Or white vinegar, also known as distilled vinegar, can be swapped out for apple cider vinegar, but it is more acidic at about 5 to 8%, and the flavor is sharp and lacks the slight fruitiness of apple cider. It is very suitable for pickling.
Take our lead.
The battle between white vinegar versus apple cider vinegar is easy to break down. White vinegar is best for making dressings and for use as a cleaning agent. Apple cider vinegar is better known for its health benefits and can be used to clean skin and hair.
Take our lead.
Both vinegars are useful in cooking and are often used interchangeably. This means that you can safely substitute apple cider vinegar for white vinegar in a recipe, and vice versa. You can use white vinegar for fermenting. I do not recommend it because it has no beneficial bacteria like ACV does.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.